All right, new arrival. 1969 911E in Burgundy over black with houndstooth inserts. Love the early 911s, the long hood cars. My personal car is a 1969 model. Mine's a T. This is an E, so it's a little more special. It's 140 horsepower with the MFI, which is much more desirable. This car was fully restored about 10 years ago. You would never know it by here. I mean, it looks like it was just done. It's very fresh. The paint looks excellent. There's no dings or scratches. I mean, the car really presents itself well. All the brightwork was re-chromed. All the glass is original, besides the windshield, which is common. These cars get, you get stone chips and blasted over the years, so it's nice to have a new windscreen, but that was replaced. Other than that, the only other modification are the seat inserts. This would have been all black, so this has got houndstooth inserts. Again, nice little custom touch. All the gauges work. This is an Italian delivery car. Some of you might have noticed the turn signals were different on this car. Those were Italian specific turn signals. So no radio. It's common for the earlier Italian delivery cars to be low of options to keep the taxes down on the cars back in the day. So that doesn't surprise me. It doesn't have a ton of options on it. So you can see those are the Italian specific turn signals with the clear and then the amber on the side here. But yeah, fully restored, matching numbers. Engine's really nicely well detailed. The only other thing that's been upgraded are the chain tensioners, the pressure fed ones, which is a good thing. All the cadmium plating's correct, all the hoses. Really well detailed car. Just came back from a top level mechanic in this area in New England, which just kind of tweaked the calibrated the MFI and a few other things just to balance it out, and it drives really well. Again, it's a 1969 911E in Burgundy, matching numbers, fully restored. Let me know if you have any questions.